Namaste and welcome back to Himalayan Yoga Association. So today in our Ashtanga Vinyasa class, we will learn about Paschimottanasana. That how we will do this forward bending posture, how we will grow in this posture, how we will increase our flexibility and how we will maintain this posture. Okay, let's begin our class. So yesterday we have done till Warrior B. Okay. So in Warrior B we have jumped into downward facing dog. From there also you can continue, but if you want to again begin the next day, so I'll show you how we will go into Paschimottanasana. Inhale, exhale, bend fully forward down. 3 inhale, look front, Chatwari again. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here you have to bend and you have to jump directly to a Dandasana. If you think that it is very difficult for you, you can use blocks on your mat. Keep both the sides your block. And then from here, just be careful with the blocks. Let not slide your blocks on your mat, because usually block slides on your mat. Bend your knees, and then from here you have to jump into Dandasana. Relax into Dandasana, lock your chin on your chest. Put your both palms beside of your both hip. Try to keep your spine straight, roll your shoulder back and down. Okay, now grab your both big toes while exhalation. Keep your spine straight. Inhale, look up. Do not just look up directly to the ceiling, just look front. Do not make more arch on your head. Just look front and just keep your both elbows straight. Inhale, roll your shoulder, keep pushing your tailbone high. Lengthen your spine, and while exhalation, bend your both elbows. Try to bend as much as deep you can. This is the variation Paschimottanasana. If you have any lower back problem or any back problem, then you should avoid this posture. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, feel the stretch on your calf muscles and on your hamstrings. And 5, inhale, again straight your both elbows, lengthen your spine, and while exhalation, now we'll do the next variation of Paschimottanasana. You can grab your feet from up, exhale, again bend fully forward down. Try to pull your elbows in, again hold there for 5 counts. 1, keep your breath, continue. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again inhale, look up. Exhale, grab your feet from out now. Inhale, again stretch your spine. Exhale, bend it down. Again try to hold. 1. Focus on your breath and on your spine. Just try to keep your spine comfortable and stretch it properly. 2, 3. Go deep in each and every count. 4 and 5. Inhale, again look front. Now we'll do the variation Paschimottanasana D. You can grab, if you want, you can grab your wrist. If you cannot grab your wrist, you can just simply grab your fingers. Interlace your fingers. If you can, just grab your wrist and again hold there. 1, 2, keep breathing. 3, tuck your ankle in. Try to keep your ankle pushing in. 4 and 5. Inhale, again straight your both elbows. Exhale, place your palms on the floor, or if you are using block, on your block. Inhale, lift. And then exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Just stay there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3. You can put your blocks beside of your mat. 4 and 5. Now slowly bend your knees down. Now we will go for the next posture, that is Purvottanasana. From here again bend your both knees and jump front. Keep your both palms beside of your back and inhale, lift your body up for Purvottanasana. Look back and hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, drop your hips down. This is basically we are doing the counter pose for forward bend. We are doing counter pose for Paschimottanasana, and this pose is Purvottanasana. Again inhale, lift, and then exhale, jump. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Be there for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. So today we have done these 2 postures, Paschimottanasana. There are 4 variations, ABCD, and the counter pose Purvottanasana. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Namaste.